Hey guys, so this is going to be your reading for the month of August. Please keep in mind, if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. Alright guys, y'all know I love you, so let's hop in. Thank you guys so much for the support, but let's go. Let's see what's going on with you guys. This person, this could be somebody that you have known for a while. You could have been in a relationship with them. So they're asking you to give it a chance. I do feel like somebody, if it's not you, Gemini, it could be the person that you're dealing with. Somebody has a hard time letting people in. So by you guys starting over, the holidays are here, you're spending time with each other, you're going to start revealing things to each other that neither one of you guys knew about. So, yeah, this is looking really good. So far, so good. I love it. Okay. General reading for Gemini, please. Okay, here we go. Bottom of the deck, I have the Two of Cups reversed. So, this is telling me that there was some type of breakup here. Alright, let's see what's going on. Which makes sense. Give your relationship a chance. Somebody broke things off. Looks like the truth came out. Somebody could have been dealing with a Pisces here. Somebody could have been dealing with a Leo. But I do feel like the truth came out, and whatever came out or whatever, was brought to light, somebody didn't have the strength to move forward in the relationship. So, yeah. Whoever was done wrong, they were trying their best to, go in a new direction. Trying their best not to look in the past because this person hurt them. So, the person that messed up, they want to come back to give an offer, but they're scared that this person is going to reject them. Somebody could have been dealing with a fire sign here. An Aries, a Leo, or a Sagittarius. There was definitely some type of third party here. And that's why you're not positive about this person. And y'all know, okay, I say every time, third party doesn't have to be another man or a woman. It could be a family member or a friend. It could be anything that's just blocking you guys. For some of you guys, it could have been someone's mother here standing in the way. A motherly figure. But I do feel like the person that messed up, they basically put it into some type of third party situation. But you're still disappointed about it. Tell me more. Yeah, so now it's like they want to rush in fast to tell you this. I feel like they want to tell you they put an end to it. They want to tell you how they feel. Because this person loves you. And you love them. Oh, y'all rolling your eyes. But okay, that's cool. Alright, let's see. Whew. Alright, hold on. Gemini, Knight of Swords. Okay, this person could be younger than you. But I do feel like you're looking at them like, okay, you know what? The way you handle the situation, you're very immature. You're very childish, There's a lot of conflict here. And somebody's feeling like things are not going to turn around and work out in their favor. You guys are looking at this person like, you stabbed me in the back. I do feel like you guys have been healing because you're letting it go. You're coming out of that energy, but you're still thinking like, no, you stabbed me in the back. How dare you? I thought we were on the same page, and no, we really weren't. So, it looks like somebody's made a decision. Tell me more, please. Alright, somebody's in their head now. Gemini, is it you? Is it the other person? Because 1 minute, somebody's made a decision. They know what they're going to do. They know how they're going to move. But the next minute, a decision needs to be made. So, there's a lot of back and forth here. There's the tower. Something had to come crashing down because of the way you guys were building. It wasn't stable. I do feel like you're coming out of being frustrated about it, and you were ready to move on. I feel like you learned some type of lesson here, and you're like, you know what, I'm just ready to move forward with my life, but this person, they don't want to let you go. They want to move forward with you. Tell me more. Yep, they want to move forward with you, and so they know they had to get rid of other options that were standing in the way here. I feel like when you look at this person, you're like, I don't really know what else there is to do. You know, you really hurt me bad. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, a Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But honestly, Gemini, this is your energy here with the Queen of Pentacles. So this is telling me that, you know, you're very independent. You're a go-getter. And at this point, that's why I said I just keep seeing you guys are healing. You know, you've really been just trying to focus on yourself, focus on your career, do things that make you happy. Because when you think about the past and what this person put you through, you're realizing, like, you know what? I did way too much in this relationship. This person didn't do anything. Why was I overextending myself? And yeah, and then they had the audacity to put me in a third-party situation. Like, no, there was no balance here. So you guys are coming out of being frustrated about it. I told you, y'all are healing. But somebody's stuck in their head. Somebody's up late at night. They're worried because they're scared they're not going to have a new beginning. So this is the person that messed up. And y'all take it vice versa, however it fits your situation. But whoever messed up, they're scared now. Because they feel like they're not going to be able to win you back. Because they see you basically bossing up. Like, you're getting yourself together. You're like, you know, I don't have time for this. Could be definitely dealing with an earth sign. Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But this person is having a hard time because they want to come towards you and apologize. They just don't have the confidence to do so. But look at that, the Ten of Pentacles. This person wants to be with you so bad. Like, they want to make things work. And they hate what they put you through. Look at that. I mean, you can't make this up. There's the Ace of Cups. They want to offer you their cup of love. They want to give everything to you. But they're scared that... No. You're scared that things are not going to improve. Tell me more. I just got something, but... let me see. Somebody's dealing with a water sign here. A Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. Somebody is very emotional, but they're just not expressing to anyone, or especially this other person that hurt them, how they're feeling. And it's like, you, basically, whoever was the one that was done wrong, you had to walk away. You had to walk away from this situation because it was just toxic, you know. And by you walking away, now this person wants to come back to give you something that you were hoping and wishing for. I mean, look at the pairs. I mean, there's the King and Queen of Pentacles, King and Queen of Cups. So you guys are definitely dealing with a soulmate. Definitely dealing with a soulmate. But what's interesting is neither one of y'all are on the same page, you know. Definitely not on the same page. You're holding back your emotions. This person's sad. And it's like, they want to be with you. They want to fix things. Somebody's made a decision here. Could be dealing with an Aries. If not, it's like somebody made a decision that they want stability in their life. And when it comes to this person, they didn't bring stability. So you're like, you know what? I got to walk away. This person wants to come towards you, but they're just moving so slow to do it. But there's something that they want to say. Somebody's not happy where they are. Somebody's definitely worried about their finances here. Maybe somebody took some type of financial loss. Dealing with another party. If not, I just feel like somebody's just really sad because the seeds that were planted, they really wanted them to grow. Somebody wants a new beginning, but then it's like the person that messed up, they want a new beginning with you, right, Gemini? And at one point, they were just keeping things quiet. They weren't saying anything to you. Now, because they feel like they're getting ready to lose you, they're getting ready to open up. They want to talk to you. Look at that. They want a victory. And it landed right on top of getting to know each other. They want to start over with you. Somebody let go of this three-party situation to get to the Ten of Cups with you. They see happiness with you. Look at that. I mean, you can't make this up. Oh, my gosh. It's like, okay, y'all. All right, so we're going to say there was definitely a third party here. All these threes that I keep seeing. So, moving on. This person definitely got out of this third party situation. But regardless of them getting out of it, them coming back towards you to tell you, that they want to work things out with you, you still look at them as being sneaky. But what's interesting is, Spirit is saying you're not using your intuition. Clarify the High Priestess in reverse. Let's see why. Because there is an offer here. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's take that back. Y'all, this is going so many different ways. I'm trying to pinpoint it. Okay, so listen. They're saying that what I did say is right. Like, you're not using your intuition because they want you to forgive this person. And it's completely up to you if you want to give them another chance. But you really need to forgive and, heal, let it go, the whole nine, right? And that's why the High Priestess is in reverse. Now, whoever messed up, they know that they were being sneaky. And Spirit is saying they're not using their intuition because they want to come towards you to give you this offer. But they're hesitating to do it. But with the Ace of Swords here, an offer is definitely coming. But somebody's not taking a leap. So this person is talking themselves out of it. They don't even know what to say to you or how to approach you. But, yeah. Look, I told you. They want to rush in to talk to you, Gemini, but they're not. They're holding back. Somebody's coming out of their head, though. Could be dealing with a Scorpio. Somebody's realizing that something had to come to an end so that something new can begin. Oh, my gosh. Oh, look at... Oh, y'all, it's so much coming to me. Oh, y'all about to get nasty, okay? Y'all could be dealing with another Gemini, but there is definitely some type of deep connection here. Somebody could have definitely been going through some type of awakening, a spiritual awakening. But I feel like the passion here is crazy. Oh yeah. I know what some people are doing for the holidays. Alright, don't come back first half of January and I start pulling pregnancy everywhere. That's none of my business. But somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, but I just feel like you guys are looking at this person like you don't have hope in the situation, which is why you cut them off. Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, another Gemini like yourself, or a Libra. It's like you're trying to stay positive, but you're like, But they're saying that things will improve if you give it a chance, but this person has to prove it. It's like you're back and forth. It's like you really do care about this person. You want to work things out with them to start over, but at the same time, you don't know if you want to build with them. But with the Two of Cups here, there's a relationship. There's a commitment. Definitely an offer coming in. Somebody wants to start things over. Could be dealing with a Sagittarius. If not, you guys just look at this person like they don't bring balance to your love life, it was really chaotic. This person, they don't take the lead to do anything. They were a player. They were definitely messing around. And this is what caused a lot of conflict between the two of you. Yeah, look at that, 2-5. There was definitely a lot of conflict. You felt like you got left out in the cold. And you're like, and why should I give you another chance? This is why you're no longer putting in the work anymore. If this person wants you, they're going to have to prove it. They have to be consistent. You feel like, no. The person that messed up, they feel like they're not going to have a new opportunity to work things out with you. Because you dropped it. You're letting it go. You were the one doing everything in the relationship. You walked away from this toxic situation. I mean, you cannot make this up. Communication is coming in slow. Somebody could definitely be dealing with a Capricorn, but yeah, you had to walk away. But somebody's worried here. Tell me more. Yeah, somebody's worried because they got cut off. And because they got cut off, they're feeling like they're not going to be able to have this commitment. Somebody's definitely dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. I mean, it's air here all day, but, you know, there's a Taurus too. I do feel like